Sometimes it's easier to create a tree than actually to retrieve the data that's in a tree. So let's have a look first of all at what makes up a tree, an example. And the most obvious way of structuring data is to do it in ascending or descending order, and this is typical of any binary tree. So how are we going to create our own tree? Well, let's have a look at this random list of numbers, an array of random numbers. Let's look: 23, 35, 82, 13, 56, 11, 60, 60 and 71. Now, if you start at the beginning, the first one is 23. So just use that as your root node, cross it out and move to the right in the list. If it's larger than the root node, you can see that 35 is indeed greater than 23. Add it to the right branch of this binary tree. You have started your binary tree. 80 is definitely greater than 83, and it's greater than 35. So that's next down the list, as it were. And we've got 3 nodes. We don't know if they're leaves or branches of any particular order at the moment, but we certainly do know that they're all greater than 23. But 2 is less than 23, so we've just started our left branch. Okay? So 2 is the first node on the left branch, on the left of our root 23. Always remember, if it's a lesser value, place it on the left of the root node, or the left of any node. Look at 13. We now compare it with 2. It's not less than 2, so it's going to be on the right of 2. Okay? You do need to always check with the root node though. Okay? So you start off by checking with the root node, and you would have worked down the right branch if it was greater than the root node of 23. Okay, in this case, it's definitely less than 23, so we go to the node 2. We know it's greater than 2, so we put it on the right. 56, definitely bigger than 23. It's bigger than 35, but it's not bigger than 80. 56 is less than 80, so we have to go down the left of our 80 node. Okay? Let's have a look at 11. Okay, 11 is definitely less than 23, so we're going to be on the left branch. But our first node is 2. What do we do about that? Well, we look at the next node, which is 13. No, it is not greater than 13, but it's not going to break off, it's not going to branch off the 2, the node number 2. So it's going to be the left of node 13, because it is less than 13. Okay. Now 60, we go to the root node, it's greater than 23, so we know it's going to be on the right. We go all the way down and we hit 80. Okay? It's less than 80, so we go down that branch and we see 56. Ah, it's greater than 56. So do you think it goes on the left or right? Remember, less value left, greater value right, so 60 ends up on the right of 56. Creating a binary tree should help you understand how to retrieve data from a binary tree. You can see the logic is always to move to the left if it is less, and to the right if it is greater. Okay, we're now left with our last number. Is it going to be on the right branch? Definitely on the right branch. Is it going to be on the left or right of 60? Definitely on the right of 60. Okay? So let's have a look at that. Let's have a look at Okay. I hope you weren't thinking I was going to put it on the left of 60. So that's our binary tree. There is nothing more to this. We've exhausted the array, we've exhausted the tree, and if we just have a look, if we just have a look at